Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter and I'm depressed. When did it all go wrong? Don't be happy. What the hell? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter and I'm depressed, sad and anxious. Today I will be making a song and you will be watching me making a song. If you're happy right now, what the hell are you doing here? Video is only for sad people. I mean, if you're happy, well, how dare you be happy when all these people are sad? How dare you? First of all. Second of all, if you're sad, well, then that's amazing. If you're happy, then I hope you will be sad in a second. Because today, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna be making a melancholic song. It will be very, very, very sad and very depressing. So if you're sad, nothing will change. But if you're happy, then you will get depressed thanks to me and the song that we will be making. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be using a sample pack called Melancholia that I have released recently. This is a sample pack for sad music enjoyers, for depressing music enjoyers and makers. There's no judgment here. If you like making sad music, that's awesome. I like making happy music and I don't like to be depressed. But hey, sometimes you just gotta be depressed. This one is insane. So sad, bro. So melancholic. So vibey at the same time. Like, what the hell? Ride. Glue compressor. My spacebar doesn't work, bruh. Try this one here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so we need some bass. I'm not sad yet. Oh, that's cool. So there are top loops, very nice, like this one. You know, you just have a kick and snare that's custom, and then you slap this one. Super quick. Kind of like jungle. Okay, I think the snare doesn't fit here. Pop. Psst. Okay, so I need like a hi-hat here. You know what you can add on hats? Delay. Delay these. No. So now we gotta add some ambience elements. Okay, so we have either road or rain. Kind of like the road. Wait, what the fuck? Bruh, they hear like it's really here. Duplicate this, put this kick right here, put a key on it, make it dim like this, close it even more, make it quieter, and then you get this. What's that? So we can put serum here. So because the kick is like really soft and there's a rim shot, all the elements are kind of like really soft and like sugary, so that the clean sub bass is gonna sound really good here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, hell yeah. How about it? Slap some reverb onto it. Make everything fit tonally. We need to keep adding elements. And what can we add here? Melody one shots. Too dry. What can we do with this? Yeah, that's nice if we do this. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. By a bit of reverb, like we're operating on such a small detail scale. Fill the space a little bit. And we can add like a slow kind of shakery thing. Okay. Yeah, can be. Then we will need, well, there's a shaker, but we need like maybe a vocal here. Well, definitely a fuller. Yeah, just a little bit like this maybe. Transition. Yeah, that can actually work if we add a reverb. Oh, check this out. Rain. Why are you having low end, bro? Okay, that's pretty good. What we need to do, what I say, little effects. So there's effects, shots. Add more. More. Okay, that's pretty okay. Okay, so I want to put, that's almost down. I want to put this lifeline expanse on this telephone vocal thing. So I'm going to put it on the whole master actually. And then this lifeline expanse right there as well. So this is what it's going to sound like. And we can add this here. Oh, can do it here. That sounds better. And at the end we can do fading out like that. What is a sad color? Oh, this one. Nah, it's gonna look like shit. Anyways, let's take a listen, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. That's it. I don't want to be sad anymore. I want to finish this and do something fun. Yeah. Elie. Ah, shut the hell up. There we go. You didn't see nothing. Nor here. As always, we gotta slow it down. Speed up. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something. If you want to check out the sample pack, check out what sample that is. I'm gonna slap the link in the description. If this is the type of music that you're into, or you want to just make, you know, sad and vibes and all that stuff, this is also good for EDM, like pop thing, most of the genres. I think that's it for this video. Have a great day. Watch some memes. Don't be sad, bro. Why? Why be sad when you don't have to be sad, bro? Simple deal, bro. I honestly feel like shit right now. Now I need Will Smith to come to my house and slap the shit out of me. So I'll not feel like shit, because there will be no shit in me. Because Will slap it out of me. Have a great day. Have a fantastic day. Phenomenal day, in fact. Goodbye.